Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean your garbage disposal with ice. And, well, the ice sharpens the blades. The lemons clean out the gunky smell and everything. And I do that at least when I ever have lemon peels, basically. But because we don't use lemons that much unless I'm baking. So I pretty much probably clean it out at least twice a year. Sometimes a little more. That's if I ever get lemons or if we're sick. Because I never really use lemon peels. But they are good to clean this out and get rid of all the nasty smell that your garbage disposal leaves. So what I'm going to do is sharpen the blades first because it's got to like grind up all those peels and it needs to be really sharp. So we're going to just throw all these ice cubes. I just make some more. Throw them all up in here. And then we're going to turn on the garbage disposal. And then we'll do the lemon peels. And then I'm going to do another thing of ice cubes. So let's fire up this garbage disposal. Fire it up. I know that was loud. Okay, now for the lemon peels. And I'm only going to do a little bit at a time so we can grind them up. I always do this to make it easier. Cubes. I don't know if you heard me, but while it was grinding, I put it on hot water. So even with the ice cubes as well. So far, it smells lemony and it smells like it's supposed to, and that cleans out all the gunk. So here we go. Turn it back on.